Guys, I don't mean to disturb you, but Q is about to explode the entire studio. Q, you don't feel so good. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to do that. Guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but Q is about to explode the entire studio.
Destroy the entire studio.
Q, are you? Guys, I don't mean to pop the buttons off. I have a feeling that the Q is about to